So we're here. We got Big Blue out. We're at our Petco store. We just now finished, and these floors look amazing. And we really keep up with these. We get the aquatic area. Some sea urchins. This dries right away, as you can see. These floors look great. I mean, for this, as much traffic, foot traffic they get in here, with the sales they do every day. Dogs, you know, always going on the corners here. Always on the corners and the edges. Dogs have accidents. We clean that up. As you can see, he's looking for spots. Little spots on the floor. Little areas. We're getting those up by hand. But these floors look great. I never said we're at our local Petco, Jonestown Road. There's Big Blue. All right, stay tuned.